Hi guys! What we're going to do for today's video is my favorite. Baka parehas tayo ng favorite. Favorite? First thing first is to separate the imitation crab to each other. And then get one piece of steel bowl. Well, even if it's not steel, it's okay. You can use ceramic or plastic. Put the rice on the bowl and season the rice with the rice wine. This will make your rice sweet and sour. So get another bowl and put this one. And then put your freshly cut cucumber. Next on the list is the ripe mango. And of course, to add some kick on the dish, saffron. Hot sauce. And the most important part of the ingredient, the kifi mayo. And then mix it together. And now we're going to arrange it. Just put the rice in there and then flatten and then put the mixture. Well, it's okay if it's too much, not just too little. This is just optional, but you can add caviar. And very, very important to put quick melt cheese. It has calcium, protein, vitamin A, vitamin B12. And show it in the oven with just right amount of heat, huh? And then voila! Why is baked sushi's visual is better than mine? What happened, Vela? Why you crying again? I know. Vampire, right? Vampire will fight me. I protect you, Vela. Bye-bye.